Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, I'd like to focus on the most important days during Christmas time in Austria. On the one hand, we learn how to pronounce these holidays, and on the other hand, you get some background information. In addition to Christmas Eve and New Year's Day, we also cover the so-called Raunächte, which are an old and mystical custom. So please stay tuned. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn how to pronounce the most important days during Christmas time in Austria. Let's start with the three so important Christmas holidays: Heiliger Abend, Christtag and Stefanitag. Heiliger Abend is celebrated on the 24th of December. The day starts with shopping for most people, and eating Christmas cookies plays an important role. During the evening, the Christkind brings the presents to the kids. And at midnight, many masses take place. Christtag means Christmas Day, and this is the day on which many presents are tried out and relatives are visited. The same goes for the Stefanitag on the 26th of December, which can be translated as Saint Stephen's Day, remembering the first Christian martyr. In Great Britain, Boxing Day is celebrated on this day. New Year's Eve is called Silvester in Austria, named after a pope. On the 31st of December, people like drinking sparkling wine, the so-called sekt or champagne, go to parties and enjoy the fireworks. New Year's Day is called Neujahrstag. On the 1st of January, there are two main events that are very important. On the one hand, the Neujahrskonzert of the Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra takes place. On the other hand, the Neujahrsspringen in Garmisch-Partenkirchen is followed by many Austrians. This is the first ski jumping event of the year. On January 6th, the holiday Heilige Drei Könige is celebrated. The Day of the Three Kings is also called Epiphany in religious context. Around this day, the so-called Sternsinger go from house to house to organize money for charity organizations. Additionally, the traditional Dreikönigsspringen in Bischofshofen takes place. Now let's turn to the so-called Raunächte. The Raunächte take place on the 21st, 24th and 31st of December, and finally on the 5th of January. During these nights, people go around their buildings and rooms with incense and holy water. The final day of Christmas time is Maria Lichtmess on the 2nd of February. In English, it is called Merry Candlemas. On this day, many people put away the Christmas tree and Christmas cribs. I hope I could give you a little insight into the Christmas time in Austria. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.